In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add assignees in ClickUp. Whether you're coordinating a project with multiple team members or just trying to keep track of who's working on what, assigning tasks is a crucial part of using ClickUp effectively. So let's dive right into it and make sure you get the hang of this simple but important task. First, we'll need to start by heading over to ClickUp. Log into your account as you normally would. If you haven't already bookmarked it, just type in the ClickUp URL in your browser to access the platform. Once you're on the main page, you'll see your list of workspaces and spaces on the left-hand side. Next, you'll want to select the specific space where the task you want to assign lives. Spaces in ClickUp are essentially like departments within your organization, and they help keep everything organized and easy to navigate. By clicking on the appropriate space, you'll be able to see a list of all the folders and individual tasks associated with that space. Now, it's time to find the specific task you want to assign. Use the task view to scroll through, or use the search bar at the top if you know the task name already. Click on the task to open it. This will bring up all the relevant details and options related to that task. Once your task is open, look for the box or icon that says Assignees, or shows the silhouette of a user. Sometimes it's located towards the top right or left, depending on your ClickUp settings. When you see this, go ahead and click on it. This is where you will be adding or changing who is responsible for this task. Now comes the part where you actually assign the task. A drop-down menu or a pop-up window will appear with a list of team members who are part of your workspace. From here, you can either scroll through and click on the name of the person you wish to assign the task to, or if you're looking for someone specific, start typing their name or email address in the search bar provided. This makes it super easy to find the right team member, especially in a large organization. After selecting the assignee or entering their email, your task will now be updated automatically with the new assignment. You should see their name appear in the assignee section of the task, confirming that they've been notified of their new responsibility. And that's it. You've successfully assigned a task in ClickUp, helping to streamline your workflow and ensure everyone knows what they need to be working on. Remember, you can always come back and change assignees if needed, making ClickUp a flexible tool for project management. Thanks for watching, and happy task assigning.